Okay, this will be an interesting video. We all use ChatGPT to generate text, right? And that became a practice nowadays after this couple of years from the time ChatGPT came into the market. But whenever we use ChatGPT to generate certain text, those sounds robotic and many people will be able to recognize those as AI generated. In this video, let me show you a couple of options using which it will sound more human-like. Let me show you what am I talking about and you'll be able to understand more. Now, currently I'm in ChatGPT console and this is one of the free account I'm using because my main account is already fine-tuned and there all these options are already configured. So it will not generate the text in that way I'm looking for. So this is a normal account and where I don't have anything already configured. So what I'll do, I'll just paste one simple prompt. Please help me write a blog post with 10 time management tips. I'll use this text in my time management blog. And if I click this button, then it will start generating the text for me. So I'm generating this text using normal vanilla ChatGPT where without any fine tuning. And once this will be generated, what we'll do, we'll copy this part of the text. So this is our text. If I open any of the AI detector, I normally use AI Detector Pro. And if I click on a new scan, I paste the text and I analyze. Then let's see how it comes back with, and it's showing the report that 98% of it probability is there, it's AI generated. So this is the problem, right? Now, how can we solve it? So what I'll do, I'll open a new chat and I already have one prompt copied. Let me paste it here. I will add it in this video as an additional comment. So if from there you'll be able to copy. Now one thing you need to understand, this entire thing is not written by me. Earlier I was reading some document or some post in LinkedIn or Twitter. I don't remember now. Otherwise I'll be happy to give the credit to the person from where I copied this thing. But I was using it for a very long time and now I can see text I'm generating that is quite sounding like human written. So that's why I thought of showing it here. But this is completely not written by me. Yeah, definitely I have added some additional lines here, but it's not entirely written by me, this particular prompt. That's a declaration in this video. So this is the entire prompt I mentioned here. I'll just talk about few of the points here. Write for a 8th grade reading level. That's one. Use everyday word and avoid using words with 4+ syllables, all those things. So you'll be able to read it and you'll be able to understand more. And then one major part is I mentioned, please save it in memory. If I click on this particular button, then ChatGPT will save this particular option in the memory, and the down the line, whenever we'll ask for any of the text, it will use it. You can see, let me close this thing because I'm using a free plan, so it's asking me to upgrade. It's mentioned that updated memory. If I click on it, then you'll be able to see this particular option. If I click on manage, then it will open that memory. Currently, you can see in my memory, only 2 memories are saved. So this is a new one I'm saving. So this is one thing, it's done. And now I'll close it. Now I have another prompt using which I will ask ChatGPT that some of the common words which ChatGPT use, those it should not be using. So let me paste that particular prompt also here. What I'm asking, whenever I'll type colon, write for me colon, the response should be written in human sounding tone without using following words and phrases. I'm asking ChatGPT to save it. So down the line, whenever we need to generate text using ChatGPT, I'll first type colon, write for me colon, and then I'll type that particular prompt. I'll show you in a while. So these are the words I'm asking ChatGPT to avoid. Delve. ChatGPT use it everywhere. This particular word, somehow during ChatGPT's initial training, it must have learn this particular word in a very, very focused way, I would say. So these are the some of common words and phrases I mentioned which ChatGPT should not be using whenever I'll ask it to generate the text for me. So let me click on this button again. So it will again save it in its memory. Okay, it updated that memory again. So a similar way, if you click on manage, you'll be able to see these 2 memories got added. Now if I go to a new chat, and then I'll type colon, write for me colon, because that's the way we asked it to save. Then I'll press shift and enter. Then it will come to the next line. And then I'll type the same prompt which I used in the beginning. please help me to write a blog post with 10 time management tips. And I'll click on this particular button. Then it will generate the text. Now let's see how it's getting detected. Is it AI generated, not AI generated? That we will be able to see. Let it complete the text generation, and after that we'll copy it from here. So let me copy from here to here, and now I'll come back to AI detector, and then I'll go to dashboard, new AI scan, I'll paste it here and I'll analyze. Let's see how it comes back with what's the percentage of AI generation it shows. Last time it was 98%. While it's working, one small announcement, my ChatGPT course is now live on Skillshare. I have already published a couple of courses there. I have added one link in the description below. Using that link, you will be able to enjoy a trial period, and during that trial period, you'll be able to watch my courses, and on top of that, multiple different other courses by renowned instructors around the world on multiple different topics. If you like that platform, you can continue your subscription. They have very good quality courses available on multiple different topics. Now you can see it's showing it's 31% chance that it's AI generated, and it's detected it as an human generated text. So this is the way you will be able to fine tune your ChatGPT configurations so that down the line, whenever you will be writing any of the text, it will not get detected as AI generated. Now, this is not a foolproof solution, to be very honest, because all these AI detectors are also improving on day-to-day basis. But however, from 98% to 31%, that's a good improvement, right? So I thought of publishing this video because I use these methods very often. So whenever I generate any of the text using ChatGPT, hopefully it will be helpful for you. Now let me know your feedback in the comments below. What do you think? Will it be useful, not useful? If you want to also talk to me, that option is also now available using fan call application. I'll add the link also in the description below. Check out that link if you have any such requirement. Earlier, I also published another video where I covered top 3 AI detector tool in case you are using any of the tool and you also want to be completely AI detection proof, then you can check out that video too. This is the link, and if you check this video there, I covered it end to end.